Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, copyright violators, or haters of Art Bell. Alright, this is a Burgh unboxing video. Now this bag opened up. This comes from Texas, Dallas, Texas, Big D. I do not have batteries because I don't know where the batteries are, because Fluffy, the overrunning cat, I can't find a damn thing in there. I just looked at the milk crate that's stacked up under another crate that's stacked up under a third crate in the bedroom and going, oh my God, all that stuff is in the bottom milk crate. Anyway, I got this wireless keyboard. Supposed to work for iPad, iPhone, Mac, I don't know what else. So open it up. Here's the front. Here's the back. I have no idea what this costs. I don't remember. Then they give you a user manual, which is on a card, which I can't read anyway because it's too small print. I have to get under the giant light to read it. So I'll put that in the box. I have no AAA batteries that I can find. I have them, I don't know where they are. But luckily I found the dongle for my Logitech keyboard, so I'm able to use keyboard. Now this says on the back, wireless Bluetooth keyboard, and no way in hell I can read this small print. And there's a little door. This is like the Mac, well, not like the Apple keyboards, but other keyboards I've had. Which I can't open my fingers. Anyway, however many batteries it is, that's what it takes. And I guess it's, let's see. Looks like 2 AAA. I'm not sure what's supposed to be in there, if anything. I'll put that back on before I wind up losing it. Then it says connect and off and on. There's an off and on switch. And on the front you have the usual buttons: escape, command option, control, delete. There's the front of the keyboard. So I will just put this away until I find some batteries for it. Oh, and Kathy, I'm not very happy about this. She lumbers in it all the time. And her purse and her bags and everything else. Well, I went out the door and that fell on the carpet and broke. So that was one of my salt shakers. Put salt all over hell. It's still salt in there. So I don't know if I can get another one of those or not. But that sat here for months and no problem. But Kathy, I keep telling her to leave your crap outside, her purse, her shopping bag, her cart, the freezer bag, and then she winds up breaking my stuff. I'm not happy. Alright, went to the bank. I'll tell you about that in the third video. So that's a little keyboard. I think I paid like 11 bucks for that or something. We'll find out if it works when I find a battery. I may have to wait till the first of the month because after shopping today, I'm broke. And that was a nightmare too. I'm having banking nightmare, Kathy banking nightmare, credit card nightmares, debit card nightmares, stupid card readers at the Safeway not working. It's not been a fun day. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon, a great evening. Actually, it's 5 minutes to 5, and it's 84 in here, so it's more like getting on evening. Feed the cats. We get done with the next 2 videos. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. I did feed Tiny One this morning, and she was very happy. Kathy says she looks like poop. I said, I know. She's very sweet. I love her very much. No talkie. I think coffee is gone. All right. Catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.